right, we got some good news and some bad news. We're going to, of course, start with the good news. It feels warmer.
Yes.
Than it did this weekend.
Absolutely, and even warmer than yesterday. The temperature right now is warmer than what it got at any point yesterday.
Oh, see, there you go.
Yeah, and so what? The not so great news, though.
I call it bad. Mariel's a meteorologist, so she's, of course, unbiased.
The not so great news is that we are looking at some rain in the area. Now, the rain, absolutely beneficial, of course, but it just makes it look like this. It's a little difficult to see, but this is a look at Love Field. Visibility is lowered, and that'll happen when we get these little tiny raindrops in the mix. Do you expect to see that today? Expect to see it tomorrow, and even some on Thursday, all before our next front arrives. Right now, though, no weather-related delays. Love Field at 53 degrees. We saw a few of those showers kind of popping up in the area, not lasting long at all. This is a loop of over the last hour, and you can see just a little bit of that activity moving from, say, DFW Airport, northern Dallas into Collin County before completely dissipating. And that's more or less what we're going to see, with the cloud cover staying consistent and that consistent south breeze as well, up to 30 miles per hour. The temperature makes it to about 70 degrees in Dallas, 73 in Fort Worth. We are going to have a bit of a better warm up across our western counties. Temperatures in the upper 70s. This is because we'll see a few breaks in the clouds. Not so much for areas east of I-35. 66 in Canton, 65 in Mineola, about 66 in Sulphur Springs. It's because of the added cloud cover and the better potential for a few scattered showers as well. Our temperature will continue to climb. Today, 70. Tomorrow, 82. Thursday, 81. This will be about 10 to 12 degrees above what's considered normal for this time of the year. And it's all as our next front starts to approach and eventually moves through the area. With that being said, that front won't do too much to our temperatures. We'll drop back into the 70s as we head towards Friday, Saturday, and even on Sunday. So today and tomorrow, rain coverage, it won't be very high, only about a 10% coverage for the area. It's not a lot. 60% coverage on Thursday. Higher coverage Thursday night into Friday morning as that front pushes through. And then it returns Sunday, late in the day into Monday at about a 20% coverage. So let's talk about Thursday, because that's the day that we have to be prepared for. Thursday, most of us will just see the cloud cover throughout the day. Most of us will just see a shower here and there. There is, however, a slight risk for severe weather that does include Tarrant, portions of Dallas County, Collin, Denton County, Wise, Palo Pinto towards the north and west. And this is for two reasons. The first one being this dry line that takes shape. It does help develop some storms well to the west of the Metroplex. It's not looking like it'll be that widespread, and those storms look to stay pretty west of the Metroplex. Hail will be the main concern there. But then a cold front is going to swing through, and that front is going to help push some of these storms into the DFW area. So let me take you throughout the day. This is Tuesday around 2. Again, mostly cloudy, just a few showers there, maybe a break in the clouds across our western counties, allowing for that warm up. Wednesday looks really similar. We are going to see the cloud cover, a few scattered showers, mainly east of I-35, with temperatures climbing into the low 80s. Now on to Thursday. Thursday morning, we start out with a bit better coverage of scattered showers. And then once we approach the early afternoon, this is Thursday around 2 in the afternoon, we see a few of those thunderstorms popping up along that dry line. That's where we see the hail threat. The front then eventually overtakes some of those storms and then gives us better coverage of rain as it approaches the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Look at the timing here. This is not till Friday morning. Between 6 to 8 is when we're expecting that front to push through. That's when we could see some of those storms popping up. We could very well still see the timing change, so I need you to keep checking back in with me every morning, because this will likely change in the next couple of days. We're still getting more data coming in. As of now, though, it does look like strong winds by the time that front pushes through will be the main threat. After that, we're looking at sunshine Friday afternoon. Highs in the 70s through Saturday and Sunday. We'll be back.